Hey girl, this is where I live. That's the house. It's the shop. And there's the little puppy dog. Here's my country outfit, a jean skirt. So we're walking to this cute little creek. Of course, King has to go to the bathroom. Good boy. When I get closer, I'll show you the creek. There's the lovely windmills. Yellow butterfly is following me. Cute little friend. Where'd he go? There he is. Totally following me when I walk to the creek. That's so cute. There's lots of butterflies out here, and at nighttime, my favorite, there's fireflies, and they glow like, it's a phenomenon that I never experienced until I moved out here, because I'd never seen fireflies in real life. There's my butterfly friend. I don't know if you can see him, yellow butterfly. How you doing, King? Here's the GMO bean field. Another GMO bean field. Shame on you, Monsanto. Shame on you. Coming up on the little creek. Huh, King? King likes to drink from it. There's a carp carcass. It's a big fish. Anthony killed that one a while ago. Here's the little creek that's running. Oh, I just seen a frog jump. If you're lucky, maybe you'll see some of the minnows in here. I like seeing all the moss and stuff. Over there, there's a big dragonfly. I'm thinking about setting up a little chair in here and just sitting in it and letting my feet have the water hit. Minnows, come out so I can film you. Little fish. I don't know if you can see any, but this is the little creek that runs through the GMO fields. King's gonna get a drink. Hopefully there's no pesticides in here. But yeah, this is pretty much where I'm at right now. So there's your little look-see. Love you, miss you.
Life is easy when you're up on the mountain and you've got peace of mind like you've never known. But when things change and you're down in the valley, don't lose faith, for you are never alone. The God on the mountain is still God in the valley. God in the bad times, the God of the day is still God of the night. Talk of faith when we're up on the mountain, but talk comes easy when life's at its best.